Yeah. Okay. Inspect this nigga, I'm the best. It's Young Cal, yup, smile up. Been around for a while, that 45 make them pile up. Motherfuckers know they can't touch motherfuckers like us. Get rich, suck a dick, bitch. I'ma keep a clip, bitch. Niggas know shit. I talk, I never slip, bitch. And I do it moving, cruising in the Malibu. Nigga got the gun, nigga. Now, what about you? Motion, my motion. Keep these niggas in motion, cause they running from the nigga with the potion. The blast, a smash, leave a nigga in the streets. Get the money that I want, get the things that I need to feed. My niggas need to breathe, we succeed. Other niggas talking shit, shoot a nigga in his knee for real. 219, stay fly, stay tight. Motherfuckers know your boy so right. A Northern Cali devil with the shovel, bury niggas deep up under the ground. Don't make a sound, nigga, never be found. Yep, trailer park mob, do the job, never stop killing niggas talking shit. Cause you know that we hot, like the fire in the sky. The desire is high. My niggas gotta get that money with our lyrical mind. And if you think this ain't freestyle, nigga, just be wild, cause you know I freestyle. So give a nigga E-Wild. Got the wop, never stop, keep a Glock, nigga. Put a nigga dead bloody on his block, nigga. Gotta send away, motherfucker, feel the shock, nigga. Take a couple shots, rest in peace, Tupac, nigga. Never die, I say why when you shoot at me. Motherfuckers know it ain't nothing you could do to me. Young blood, young thug, where you bees at? Motherfuckers know got the guns where the G's at. Hot like the fire, moving like the sun, rotating just like the earth, nigga. I am number one, not number two, number three, or number four. Better do a chore for you niggas hit the floor.